the hardship of life. You are graduates are skilled vocational tradesmen. The present world is yours. All things around you are run by machines. Let us go to electronics. Appliances in the homes are run by electronics. The appliances need your services. Travel inland, water or air are all managed by electronics. Dear graduates, we are all vocational tradesmen. Masakol, kay inadal ko, kay inadal tayo si Overseas Technical Institute, kay ipakita tayo, itrabaho tayo kinaimbag, saan nga may kandiwas. Saan laing nag-graduar kan, kinada diploma mo, Houston, pinalaminate mo, display mo met dyan di balayo, o serbi na, sabon nila itrabaho tayo. Vocational graduate. When we say vocational graduate, sometimes mabayin tayo ng mga ibaga. When somebody asks you, anak nalpas mo nga kurso adi. Vocational lang manong? No! Based on my experience, dear graduates, dapat proud tayo ng mga ibaga. I am a vocational graduate. Because why? Vocational courses iti sa tidemas hirap tangag daman. Mapa-abroad man when mo mapalukan. Amo my dear graduates, dananang kentatang ko kasamit diri uncle ko. May pasagipsat kanya tay sao barok kunada. Agadal ka pati adal ken sursuro, ket isu ti gameng ken sarapod munto ingkat dumakay ka kunada. Dear graduates, kitain nyo man datatang ken ninanang yo. Ket ibagayo, agyaman at tatang ken nanang ko, ti anos, ayat ken sakripisyo kada kami. Palakpakan tayo manida ako. Amoy dear graduates, may sa akmet nga pagtaltalon, kaya nagtartaraken tidingwen hindi. No tiyempo ti talon, in kami agraet kami tatang ko, kentas samet agpuliglig kami. Kasi gayang purigat at taltalon ko na hindi. Agkainitan ka, sakto pa ilang mangruot, tiganin ti taraken ko. Ket daytoy, sungain tultuloy ko tinagbasa. Ket di daytoy, masarakak Diyos gusto nga Overseas Technical Institute. Dear graduates, anusan nyo ti trabaho yo. Ket ipakat yo, ti adal, mula di mamaestro tayo, ti panunot tayo. Ang mga nga ti masangwanan nga aldaw, da kayong tumet ti aktaktir di sa sangwanan yu ita. In this present world, mechanically trained men are kind in this present era. So my dear graduates, as you leave the portals of our alma mater, accept the challenge to us to give honor firm in the fulfillment of the mission and vision of our alma mater. It is just a matter of keeping strength our determinations to success. From this point of view, allow me to give you a short experience to attain success. After graduation, I bravely and with perseverance filled my application to different companies and establishments which I believe would fit into. With the guidance of the Almighty, I was employed as manager technician at Digital Audio Electronics and the Iconic Computer and Cell Phone Services. My success in my work is dependent on these policies. Honesty in the service. Be honest in performing the task. Be kind to your client. Know them pretty well. Understand their capability to pay your service. Distinguish between those who are capable to give more from those who need your service but are helpless. Be friendly. Good friends are hard to find. Love your work, and so this might be the reason for me to be a single by this time. But to tell you, my dear, my reason is just plain and simple. My love is still centered to my work as I enjoy it. I love my parents and my brothers and sisters who need my help. I love those who need my services. But for sure, time will also come when the love shall extended for me to have love for my own family. As when it will come, I can't at this moment predict. It may be today, tomorrow, or in the near future. There's no worry. So again, to you dear graduates, let us not fail our hopes for a brighter future. Pack up your minds. Put your strength together. Stand on your feet. Your muscles are strong. Go out to the world of success. You are a vocationally trained skilled man, a product of Technical Institute. Congratulations and goodwill. I thank you.